Hello guys, I'm back with my another video. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Arnavi Mitra and I am a power programmer at Infosys. This video is the third video of the C++ STL lecture. So if you haven't watched my previous video, I will recommend you to go and watch the previous videos where I have covered the vector, the data structure stack, queue, these things in C++. And today we will be discussing about the associative containers like set and map, and in this video I will mostly cover the set. So before starting, I want to share another thing. I have one Telegram group. You can join there and you can post your doubts or you can reach out to me there, and also you can connect with me in LinkedIn. You can find the description of the Telegram group and my LinkedIn profile in the description. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So set is basically a container which does not takes any duplicate values. So mostly, suppose we have a set, that means it will contain only unique values. So I will start with set. So in C, set always have values in sorted order. So suppose you want to have the values unordered or randomized, you can use unordered set. But I will use first I will explain you the set. So let me take an example of set that containing a integer type of variable, and I'm naming it set. And I will be explaining all the functions. So I can use insert function. This function is used for adding any values. Let me add some values. I will add 1, then 6, then let me insert 5. Let me again insert 5 and see what are all the values. So first of all, I will print the size of the set. I can print like this, s dot size. Then I will print the values of the set. You can use iterated to print the values, but I personally prefer for int loop until it's helpful. And I will simply print the values of set. Let me give a space. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you can see size is showing 3. Anyway, we have inserted 4, but size is showing 3 only. And the values you can see are in sorted order. Now we will do some functions. It has one function that is erase. I will try to erase one value. Let me erase 5. Okay, let's see. I will give the size after erasing, so we can have a. Okay, so you can see size is decreased and we have erased the value. Now suppose we don't want we want all the values to be deleted. We can simply use a function that is called clear. So let's see. You can see it's not printing any value and size is giving 0. That means it has cleared all the values. Now these are the mainly function. These main functions you will mostly use. There are many other functions I won't be covering. I will cover another function that is to check if the value is present there or not. So I will, for the timing, I will remove this clear function and let me print. Okay, instead of here I will print. Suppose I want to check is 5 present here or not, so I can use this function count this. function is used to check if 5 is present there or not. It returning 1, it generally returns a boolean function. In returning 1, that means 5 is present. Now suppose I am giving a value that is not present, actually I am giving 9, and it will return 0. So you can see it's returning 0. Now suppose we, instead of set, we don't need in ordered way, because whenever it's ordered way, pushing or inserting a value will take log in time. So I will simply use unordered set. Okay, and let's check how the values are inserted. Okay, you can see values are showing like this: 561. So basically it's a random ordering thing, and here inserting any value takes order of one order of one time. Okay, now we will explain another thing of set, that is multi-set. So let me change this set to a multi-set and think. You can see it's giving the result in sorted order, and it's giving two fives. So multi-set we generally use, suppose we need all the values, or to be more clear, suppose we have, instead of integer, we have some key values pairs, and we want all the keys to be present. That time we will use multi-set. Now when we are using saying about key value pair, let me explain you the map in that context, because whenever there is a key value pair thing, or there is a possibility we have some key and value. For example, suppose we have a graph and we want to store the source and the destination, we can use a map. Or suppose we want to store the source, destination, and its weight, we can have this. We, as a key, we can have a pair of source and destination what is, and in value we can have its degree, or its age weight. So I will explain you the map now. So let me quickly define one map. I will take integer. Okay. Now suppose I want to add. I will explain you how can I add values in a map. So I can use this map of m of 0 equal 1. So it will in key is 0 and it's giving 1. Now let me insert. I can insert like this also. Let okay, to be more clear, we will take the values one digit, and sorry, keys will be one digit and values will be two digits, because I am using here integers only. We can to be clear, so I'm using like this. I can insert like this also. I can also use insert function. I can make pair and add them. Sorry, make pair will be like this. Okay, and now try printing them. Here I will use auto. So a brief discussion about this auto keyword. This means it can have anything. It can have integer, a char, or it can have a pair. It can have a structure. It can have anything. Auto is like using as a global thing to be on the safer side. So I have here a pair. So I could have written in the for each loop like a pair of int and int and name them, but I prefer auto because I don't have to write much. And I will print. Now it's a pair, so I can use first and second to print them. First will print the value, sorry, key, and second will print the value. Okay, let's try printing them. Hmm. So you can see it has printed very nicely, and I have used map, so it's in sorted order. Let me change the order and show you. It will still be in the sorted order of keys. You can see it's still in the sorted order. Now let me use unordered map, and here let me give m of 4 equals 40. Okay, to be have clarity, let me give m of 3. So you can see there is no specific pattern, or it's not in a sorted order, it just randomly inserted the values. So like similar to set the map in unordered map, inserting takes constant time, and if it's map only means sorted order, then inserting takes login time. Now similar to set, map has some functions that I will show you. We can erase. Let me give one and see what happens. You can see it has erased the, we have given the key and it has erased. Now suppose I want to print the value of key 1, so I can give like this, cout m of 1. It has printed its value 20. I can check the if one value is present there or not. Let's see if 3 is present here or not. It's returning 1, that means 3 is present. Now suppose I am giving 9, that is not present in the map, so it's returning 0. So all the functions in the map and set are almost same, and these are very useful when we are in the competitive programming field. Like sometimes we need a container to hold things. Many times like in graph, when we will do the programming of graph, that time it's a very useful thing. So associative containers, setter, map are very popular, and these are the main functions I covered. There are many other functions. You can go to Geeks for Geeks site and you can read all the functions, but I have covered only those functions which you will definitely need if you are writing some code. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also let me in the comment section how much you are liking my content, and if you have any suggestion for me, or if you want any other type of content or anything, please let me know in the comment section.